Welcome to Genius tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Spearman method of correlation when ranks are equal. When ranks are equal, the formula will be different. When ranks are unequal, the formula will be very simple. So today we are going to learn about when ranks are equal. So coming to the first one, x variables has been given here and y variables has been given. So rank 1 and rank 2 we need to take out in ascending order. So here least number in this x variable is first one 22. Second one is 25. Third one is here we are getting 31 and 32nd. So two 30s are repeating here. That's what when ranks are equal. So how you are going to rank is important here. So now the next rank is 3 and 4. We need to allot the 3 and 4 for the 230 available in X series. So first what we need to do here. So here 3 rank plus 4th rank divided by 2. It's nothing but an average between two ranks is equal to 3.5 you will be getting. So the third rank and the fourth rank we have to take it average value. So 3.5 and 3.5 I will take for the 230s because it is repeating. The next value is 4 for the 30. 3 and 4 completed. The next value, the next rank will be 5. So which is the least number among these left out values? 5. This is 5. Next, 6th value is 50. 7th value is 70. And 8th value is 90. So like this we need to go in a ascending order. If the ranks are repeating, we need to take out the average of the two ranks. If it is 3 variables, you need to divide with 3. Okay. So up to here clear. Next we will go to the rank 2. So rank 2 is nothing but least number. Here is 21st one. Next least number is for 30. Next least number is 40. See 40, how many 40s are there? 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3 40s are there. So coming to the 3 repetition of number is there. So here what is the rank left out? 1 we have allotted to 20, 30 we have allotted to 2, and left out the next one is 3 and 4 and 5 is the rank for the 340s. We need to allot it, but we have to take out the average of these 3. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3 is how much? 12 by 3. So your average value of these 3 ranks is 4. So I'll allot 4 for this 40 and allot 4 for this 40 and 4 for this 40. So how many we have completed? 3, 4, 5. Now we need to start with 6. So 6 where you will start? What is the least number? What is the numbers are left out? Here 50, 60, 70. So 50 will be the next number 6 and 60 will be the next number 7 and next 70 will be the 8th value. So this is the rank R1 and R2. When the ranks are equal, how to balance between the equal values, how you are going to rank it? So nothing is there, just taking the average of the value ranks is very much important. So whatever the repeated value, see here, coming to the first series, just look at the first series. How many 30 is repeating for how many times? 2 times. So here the m value is equal to 2. Once again I am repeating. How many times the 30 is repeating in the X series? 2 times. So the repetition of a 30 value is 2 times. Coming to the y variable, in the y series, how many times the 40 is repeating? 3 times. So the repetition of the 40 is 3 times. The m value is 3. Up to here clear? Next we'll go to the next step, that is R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 means we have to take the difference between rank 1 and rank 2. Here 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 means how much it will be? Minus 4. Next 3.5 minus 4. So minus 0.5. Next 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Next 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Next 6 minus 2 is plus 4. Next 7 minus 1 is plus 6. Next 3.5 minus 4 is minus 0.5. Next 8 minus 8 is 0. So these are the R1 minus R2 is nothing but deviation values. What is the difference between the rank 1 and rank 2? Coming to the next step, we have to square it. Whatever the values we got it, no, we need to square it. So first one will be the 16, 4 square. Next 0.5 square is nothing but 0.25. Next value is 4, 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. And 0.5 square is 0.25. 0 is nothing but 0. So these are the values we got it. D square values, deviation square. So here we need to add it. 16 plus 0.25 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36 plus 0.25. So we got 81.1.5 is your summation D square value. 81.5. Okay. Now we'll move to the formula. Spearman method of correlation when ranks are equal. When ranks are unequal, I want to differentiate the formula. How to learn? It's very big formula. Some students will get confused here. So I want to make a differentiation between unequal formula and equal formula. First I'll write the unequal formula. Unequal, when ranks are unequal, means different formula. It's nothing but RS, that is correlation, coefficient of correlation under Spearman method is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. This is for unequal ranks. But we are discussing about equal ranks. So equal ranks is nothing but it's not a separate formula, it's extension to the unequal formula. See, I will explain how to expand this formula in when the equal ranks are given. So as it is, you have to take it. RS is nothing but correlation is correlation is symbolized with small r, and Spearman method you are using, that's the reason RS is equal to 1 minus. Coming to the here 6 will be outer, this 6 will be outer, and summation D square will be as usual. And coming to the here first set, first you need to put it a plus and divided by n cube minus n is, this is a similar point we can take it from this formula. If you learn this formula and if you know the technique how to expand the formula, it's more than enough for you. So here 1 minus will come here, Nana. 1 minus 6 of summation D square plus, here coming to the x variable, how many, the 30 is repeating for 2 times. Only 30 variable is repeating for 2 times. So one variable is repeating for 2 times. So we need to write one set of the pattern. That is 1 by 12 m cube minus m. This is a standard one, a set. How many sets, how many numbers, the same number is how many times it is repeating, for that one only we need to write this set. So 30 is repeating for 2 times in X series, that's the reason this is one set. Coming to the, in the same series, if it is another number is repeating, means you can write it another set also. Okay, but in this example I have taken only one variable is repeating, that's the reason I am writing only one. Fine. Now the next step is coming to the only one variable is a one set is completed. Again you put the plus here. Next coming to the y variable, again one variable only is, one number is repeating for 3 times. So here again we need to write one set only, because in the X series only one number is repeating. So 1 by 12, again you write it m cube minus m. Like this, how many times it is, how many numbers it is repeating for how many times, so that many steps, that many sets you have to write it. Here once again I'll repeat, in X series only 30 is repeating, only 130 is repeating. That's the reason one set only I wrote. In Y series 40 is repeating, only one number is repeating for thrice, that's the reason I wrote. So in my example only 30 is repeating, only Y is 40 is repeating in the Y series, that's the reason it closes here only. Okay, so now this is a format. How to learn this formula is very easily, the number according to the problem you need to expand the formula. If it is for more times, you can repeat it for more times, this set only. But in my example only one time and one time is there, that's the reason I have taken 2 sets only. Coming to the substitution of the values in the formula, RS is equal to 1 minus 6 of, what is the summation d square? 81.5. 81.5 is the summation d square plus 1 by 12. What is the m value in the X series? 2. Why 2? Because 30 is repeating for twice only. That's the reason I will take m value as a 2 cube minus 2, plus again in the second set, coming to the Y series, 40 is repeating for how many times? 3 times. That's the reason m is equal to 3. So here 3 cube I will take minus 3, close the bracket, divided by, what are the observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations are there. So 8 cube minus 8. So this is the values we need to substitute and we need to solve it. Next, RS is equal to 1 minus 6 of 81.5 plus 1 by 12. 8 cube means how much it will be? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 1 by 12. So 3 cube is 27 minus 3 means 24. So divided by 8 cube is 512 minus 8. So little bit calculations we can do it here. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12 1s are 12 2s are. So close the bracket here. RS is equal to 1 minus 6 of 81.5 plus 1 by 2 is there. So I will write it in a fraction, not decimal, 0.5. 1 by 2 is there. I am writing in decimal 0.5 plus 1, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So we got 2 here. And 512 minus 8, it's 504. RS is equal to 1 minus, so I will add these all things, 81.5 plus 0.5 plus 2. So it is R in 6 into 84 divided by 504. RS is equal to 1 minus, if you multiply 6 into 6 into 84, you will get 504. Denominator also 504, so cancel, it becomes 1. RS is equal to 1 minus 1, so RS is equal to 0. So we got this is the final answer, we got it. So always the correlation lies between -1 to +1. So it is between -1 to +1, so we got the correct answer. Thank you for watching my video.